Well, the story so far is Alan Bond taking over Tooheys. Some 100 Tooheys leaseholders are concerned that they may be asked to leave their hotel without any goodwill. Legal proceedings, or by way of notice to quit, are issued in respect of 7 hotels by Osthotel, and what happens next is a drama of its own making. Our firm was tasked to defend the 7 hoteliers that were facing ejection. In doing so, it was very difficult to find a barrister that would support our case. As I've indicated before, the documents were all against us. It was a 12-month lease with no right of renewal. There was a goodwill letter that said you had none. And most of the barristers we saw in Phil Street of most senior ilk indicated we didn't have a case. In any event, we found a barrister, Rodney Parker, QC, who took it on, and the proceedings commenced. More drama unfolded. Tooheys had retained Tom Hughes QC, quite a famous barrister, who was, quite frankly, wiping the floor with us. A last-minute adjournment was obtained, and a Frank McCowrie QC was retained by us as well as Mr. Parker. Frank McCowrie brought a new breath of life to the case, and we were able to succeed, which in itself created a precedent in law called promissory estoppel here in New South Wales. Not only was there success in the court, but there was almost universal condemnation of the steps that Tooheys had taken, so much so that the very competitive beer market here in New South Wales at the time was tilted against Tooheys in favour of Tooth & Co, now Carlton. It is a credit to the hoteliers of New South Wales and the AHA that supported them that they could bring about such a result, which ended up in the matter being dealt with reasonably satisfactory for all hoteliers concerned.